Alright, let's look at the homework 8.5-10.1, problem number 7. Alright, so let's use integration by parts to evaluate this integral. Alright, before we take the integration by parts, I'm going to use a substitution. You can actually do it without it, but to make your life a little bit simpler, it might take a few more steps, but it'll make it a little bit clearer. Alright, so here's t equals, say, 5x. Right? So usual drills. So you have take the derivative of t with respect to x is going to be 5, and take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have a dx over dt is equal to 1 over 5. Right? Then we can just multiply through by dt. We get the dx to be dt over 5. Right? Then another thing that we should do is t equals 5 from here. We can just divide through by 5. So we know that the t over 5 is same thing as x. Right? So this is going to be equal to integral. Alright, x is same thing as t over 5. Put that there. Alright, you have a sine of 5x. Right? And a dx is same thing as dt over 5. Right? So if you clean this up, oh, actually, I didn't do a substitution here. So this is going to be now t. Alright, then this is going to be, so you have, let's see, a 5 and then other 5s. So it's a 1 over 25. I'm going to kick it out of the integral. Then you have a t times sine of t dt. Alright, so from here we can do integration by parts. So I'm going to let, u be t and dv be the rest of it, so sine of t dt. Right? And if you take the derivative, you get du over dt is equal to actually 1, which means that the du is actually equal to dt. So by multiplying dt. And here, divide through by dt, dv over dt is sine of t. Then we can take the antiderivative to get v back, which is going to be negative cosine of t. Right? So we're going to need u and v and du. Right? So this is going to be 1 over 25. Alright, then we're going to have, let's see, I'm going to just put the big bracket here. Alright, so u times v would be negative t cosine of t. Alright, minus integral. Alright, there's a negative sign, so it's plus. Alright, cosine of t dt. Alright, so I just needed just a maybe parentheses. Alright, so here. Alright, then we can just evaluate that. So it's 1 over 25. Alright, this part is finished. I'm going to actually write it as negative t cosine of t. Alright, then antiderivative cosine is sine, so I'm going to put sine of t. Alright, plus some constant c. Right? Then we can put replace t by 5x, put the original expression back in. 1 over 25 sine of 5x, so 5x I meant, and minus 5x cosine of 5x plus some constant c. Right? So let's type it in. And we have 1 over 25 parentheses and I forgot the sine. Sine of 5x. So sine of 5x and plus 5x, right? Cosine, 5x times cosine of 5x. All right, let's make sure I got the right 5x. All right. Oh, actually, this is a negative sign. All right. So, and this should be x. Sorry about that. All right. So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right. It came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.